G'day, George here. I often get questions from people about what type of microphone do we use if we're recording with the GoPro camera. So this one here, I'll show you what it is and I'll do a quick test so you get an understanding of how well it actually works. The one that you're listening to me talking through at the moment is a Rode VideoMicro camera microphone. And this particular device connects to the GoPro through an adapter, can be used on, we use it on our DJI gimbal, Osmo gimbal camera. We also use it with the SLR because it's super portable. Now I'll take a little video with the phone so you can see what I'm talking about. And this is it. This is actually sitting on top of the GoPro. In this case we're still using the Hero 5 and you'll see the little lead here, right? It connects through an adapter at the bottom here in this special little case, plugs into the camera, and that's it. Pretty simple. Now, what does it actually sound like? Well, you're listening to it in, uncovered mode. It's out here in the exposed air. If I unplug it, right, now you're listening through the microphone of the camera itself. So it's probably impeded by the case, it's not necessarily going to be as good, particularly at distance. Now, if I go back and I'll plug it back in. Okay, we're back to the microphone. This particular microphone is a standard microphone in that it doesn't need power. Some microphones need a power source. This one you just plug in and play. Now, in addition to this, when you get it, not only do you get the mounting base and the lead for the microphone, you also get a little, a dead cat, little fluffy little thing. And the intent of this is that you can slide it on the microphone like this. And now you've got a windsock basically covering the microphone, and you can still hear it fairly well. The intent of that particular device is to prevent interference from wind blowing across the microphone. Now if I take it off, okay, you could give this a bit of a haircut, take some of the hair off so it doesn't hang down in front of the camera, or give it a lick, wet it, anything like that. That will keep it away from the lens. So that's it. Rode VideoMicro, highly recommend it. Very good microphone, super light, super portable, and there are probably thousands of them out there for you to access. Have fun. Bye.